Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a special video about Python machine learning basic for different types of loop. Actually there are three types of loops, more basically while loop and for loop, and if while and for loop used in a nested structure, so then can be third classification. So first of all, today I will discuss about the Python for loop, and we will discuss using list or others, list variables, array variables or others variable in while loop and for loop. First of all, we will discuss the list variable. First, fruits is a list variable. There are three elements in the list: apple, banana and cherry. And we will use the for loop for x in fruits and print x. There is the x is used a iterative variable, and that exists in fruits list variable. If x exists in fruits variable, suppose if fruits have 3 elements or 5 elements or 6 or more or less elements, then x will iterate that number of times. So if if we execute the loop, then print x. So we can try. After running this program, the Google Colab is initializing, and this program shows the output apple, banana, cherry. First it prints apple because x in fruits, so apple in fruits, first element, print apple. And second iteration, x in fruits, x means banana, and thirdly cherry. If you increase the loops using something others variable, like list variable, then something fruits names or others name. Nuts, that print also prints nuts. And you can also use some numbers or others that will be considered as that prints 100 oranges. And then if you if we want to add a if or else condition in for loops, then just add if x equals something. Of course you have to use the condition of x because x is your current usable variable, and if something is found, then it will break the loop. So we can run this program. Apple, banana. If x equal to banana, then break. This is the last condition. Before this, for x in fruits, first it prints apple, and then it searches for x equal banana. It prints first time the apple and increase the location of the list variable, then it goes to find the banana, and it will execute as banana. If x equal to banana, it prints banana second times, and then finds its banana found, then it break. It will not print something other variable or others. If you use this list here and turn off this line and run this code again, yes, of course it will not found. If you use this banana at the last of the list, x here, then print, execute the program. Yes, it will print everything before the banana variables. First prints apple, then you increase the loop elements, cherry, nuts, and 100 oranges, and finally it gets banana. If you use something after this banana, that will not be printed. And we can see run this code. This the nuts is existing after the banana, it is not printed. After this we are going to show you a special section. If you use the for loop as a nested loop, because if one loop of for is used in another for loop, under the for loop another for loop, that will be called as a nested for loop. Here the two list adjective foods, the three elements in this list A, D, J, and fruits list have three elements apple, banana, cherry, and these loops are in nested loop. X is the iterative variable in the first loop and y is the iterative variable in the second loop. First it checks X in adjective, something existing here, and second checks in second loop second list fruits in it. So X red in the list at ADJ and apple exists in the fruits, so it will print red and apple. And here it will increase the value of iteration in the second loop fruits, so it will increase to the second elements of this fruits list, and then it will print in the second time red will be common, and that will print banana. So if we run again, then in the list finish red apple, red banana, red cherry, then it will increase the second element to first on the first for loops, then it will big apple, banana, big cherry, and then tasty apple, tasty bananas. So if you run this program, that will give the same output. First red and then print all everything with its combination red apple, red banana, red cherry, and after completing this loop, that will increase the X element, so it will go for bigs and all the elements of apple, banana, and cherries from the second list. And you can use the number range variable in the for loop. There is a range 6, that means 6 ranges variable from 0 to 6 X in list. This is the range 0 to 6. You print everything here. If you increase this, suppose 10, and print from 0 to 10, 0 to 9, sorry, and there is another section. If you set the range start point and end point, then it will print from start to end. Suppose start 2, and it will print 2 to 5. If we increase or decrease something, suppose is 12 to 36, then it will print from 12 to 35. And if we can also the list using some differences. Suppose here the list is from 2 to 30 with the differences 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, 8 plus 3 equal to 11. That will be increased gradually. If we use this as 5 differences, that there will print these things. This is the number of iteration and numbers. If we use it 10, it will print 3 or 4 numbers and 3 numbers, 2 to 11. So guys, this is the basic tutorial for loop in Python. If you have any questions